What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, I got a crazy video, man. Y'all not gonna believe some of these car payments. And these car payments is the reason why we're gonna get into a repo videos as well today. So I got two things for y'all today: car payments and repos. Let's get into it.
Ashley, what kind of car do you drive and what's your monthly payment?
Oh, hi. So I drive a 2025 Hummer, all fully electric. My payment for that is $1,600.
Golly.
2023 Audi A5, and my payment is $840.
I pay $699.39 for my car note every month. Do I think it's worth it? No. Am I gonna keep paying it? Yes.
You don't think it's worth it while you sign up for it? That's the crazy part. I think some people just get excited, man, that they got approved, so they just agree to anything.
Let me tell you why I think it's worth paying. If not, I'm
You ain't
still
got
gonna
no
pay
choice.
it. I got push start. I got a touch screen. You gotta love that Bluetooth. I got a sunroof.
You know what's crazy though, guys? A lot of people pay extra money for a sunroof. Like me, I'm a sunroof guy. I like having a sunroof, but sometimes adding that sunroof can put like another $40 onto your payment. And then most of the time, people don't even use the sunroof. It always amazes me when you ride with somebody and they got sunroof in their car and they got the shade closed and the sunroof not even open. I'm like, you pay extra for this and you barely use it. But for me, because I'm a tall guy, sometimes it make the car feel bigger than it really is. That's why I really like panoramic sunroofs, like I had in my 300, because it make the car feel a little bigger than it really is. But a lot of times you can save money by not having a sunroof. It's not that serious.
Manual transmission.
Uh-oh. $400,000 for this car.
Probably purchase in today's market. $427,000.
God, bro.
60 months. It's about $8,000 a month.
God. $8,000 a month. Now you gotta be rich to afford one of these cars. You're not gonna be working at Walmart or have a regular job and paying $8,000 a month. And we ain't even talking about insurance. That's wild right there. And trust, there's people out here paying it too. Believe that.
Ran down. Yes, sir. That's big boy payments. If I ever seen some, that's big boy payments.
How much you drop?
Wave, that's big boy payment, for real.
That's it? How much your payments with warranty and gap?
Like $640.
That's
It's
wild.
a great day to be alive.
You know, the wild thing about it, man, those, I think that's a Range Rover. It's not even about the payments. It's about that car breaking down. Those things are known to break down. So you got almost a $700 payment. If something happened to that thing, if you don't have a warranty on it, you're going to be paying out the pocket for that Range Rover. A lot of times this be people who just got regular, normal jobs. I mean, I ain't judging nobody. I'm just reacting to the video. But sometimes, like me personally, I can probably afford to have a Range Rover, but I don't want to. I don't want to have to change the brakes. I don't want to have to do anything to that car after the warranty is up. But those things are super expensive to fix.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Smiling now, crying later.
What you got?
I got me a Range Rover Velar.
Yup.
They didn't have the one I wanted, so they made a special order.
Yup.
Yeah, okay.
Premium
You a special
package.
payment.
Yeah, stop playing with her.
It's nice though.
Oh my God, lady.
What?
Damn. Oh, damn, she done sat on the motherfucker.
That's crazy. Oh, nah. Wow, look at that joint. That's crazy. I feel like at this point, you might well just give it up, bro. That's wild right there. That's what happens when you got super high payment. Ain't no way, son. Y'all can have it at that point. You can have that car. That's a car almost on top of the daggone building. That's wild. Uh-oh, here we go. Not the Benz. Oh man, not the Benz, bro. Dang. About to catch somebody.
They really destroyed this thing.
Man, them tow truck drivers do not be playing. Golly, that joint destroyed. See, here's the problem with that, man. Because now they got to try to sell the car. They're not going to get anything for it if they even able to sell it. You're going to be responsible for the full amount now. The full amount. And that car right there, old as a mother, they probably still owe at least 10, 15,000 on it. And now that it's all damaged like that, they probably going to owe the full amount because they can't sell it at the auction. That's crazy, man. It's best to just get a car, but don't destroy the car. You're just making it worse for yourself.
Hook and go.
I don't know why people do that, man. I mean, things happen. You got to do what you got to do, but don't destroy the car. You're making it hard on yourself. Man. I don't think people understand. Uh-oh, BMW time. And it's crazy because I see people riding around
Gotta
BMW
pay that note, big dog.
all day long. You see people in the old BMWs, new BMWs, but you're constantly seeing the repos. They're expensive to fix. I'm telling you, I own the X5. Sometimes the brake
See ya
job
later, alligator.
at least $1,500 to $1,800. I know it was like a $2,000 for the X5 to get a full brake job, roll the pads.
Anthony, what car wouldn't make it to 100,000 miles?
I stay away from Mercedes. I don't like working on them, driving them now.
Hey, Brian, what car is not going to make it to 100,000 miles?
Hyundai Sonata.
What about you, Sean?
Ford.
Hey, Joel, what car wouldn't make it to 100,000 miles?
Any Chrysler product or Dodge in general.
Abel,
That's crazy.
what car wouldn't make it to 100,000 miles?
A Hyundai.
Hyundai? What about you, Henry?
Pathfinder, Nissan Pathfinder.
Joy, what car wouldn't make it to 100,000 miles?
I would say a Dodge Challenger.
Antoinette, what
That's
car wouldn't
crazy.
make it to 100,000 miles?
Probably a Jaguar.
And it's crazy because those are the cars that you see on the road the most. Because all the cars they named that won't make it to 100,000 miles. Those are the cars that everybody wants. Even I had a Chrysler and a Nissan right now. That's the cars they always saying they won't last to 100,000 miles. But me personally, I never even keep my cars that long. But there you go, guys. Another car payment and a repo video, man. I'm trying to get these videos out a little more often. Like I say, I'm back, man. I've been on vacation. Then I had my birthday, so I've been kind of busy. So I'm going to be pumping these videos out, man. If you like these videos, hit the like button, subscribe. We got to make, better financial decisions, man. If your car is about to get repoed, don't destroy it because you're going to still owe that money. So let them take it to the auction and sell it. And then you're responsible for the rest of the money. Make it easy on yourself. You're making it harder on yourself. And also just stay within your means. Then you won't have to worry about it. I mean, things happen. People have to do what they have to do. I mean, a repo ain't the end of the world. Don't get me wrong. But if you can avoid it, that's the best thing to do because it will destroy your credit for a while. So hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching. And I'll see y'all on the next one.